Yeah. So, Mr. John J, it's a pleasure to meet you. Tell us about yourself.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
My name is Obidi John Ogu. So from there, I now put J.
Wow.
So my baptizing name is John, and the confirmation name is Jerome. That's when I took two of them together to be John and J. So that's why
So where do you hail from?
I'm the son of Igede from Benue State.
Oh.
Normally, I come from a very poor family, but I wish to be winning this award today. And what pains me more is that my daddy has late. And they have a lot of things on the ground before I grow up. They have solely it, do this and do that. So when I was starting this music, it's not quite long, last 2 years. I have a lot of track, which I usually do post, do that, do this, but by then people didn't know me. But I hope through this elegant empire, I will be the best. So, thank you, and for those that vote for me, Mercy, John, my namesake, and my uncle, Jester, thank you, and I wish to win this award so that to prove myself to my family that the name they call me, that's not what I am.
You will.
So, but I know one day I will have this award.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was a long speech from John J. It's funny how a reverend father brought up is now into Afro music. I mean, it's crazy. That shows a clear example of someone who does not allow his background to put his back to the ground. All right? He pushed through to his destiny. He pushed for what he wants, and he's here to achieve it. And I want to encourage you. We are going to do everything within our powers to make sure your dream comes true. All right? You see the award that we are giving today? If you push yourself in the next edition, you are going to get yours. I don't know who is going to be the winner of the next edition. It may be John J.
I will be the one.
It may be Evelyn. It may be any other person sitting down here and watching us. But I know that if you strive, you are going to win. Ladies and gentlemen, before I let him go back to his seat, I want you to say that your last word to your viewers, words of encouragement to viewers and fans all over the world. Tell us something.
Thank you once again. For my fans and my backup people, I thank you all. And it's not going to be a funny enough because by seeing myself sitting down here, I just be like a king. Because I see a lot of different faces, beautiful girls, handsome boys. Even what I am today now, I can see elderly person that even grew up with a white beard sitting down behind us, meaning that it's a daddy that usually encourage the children.
Yeah.
So I need somebody like this to be in my side.
Yes.
And to my family also, I thank you all. I thank you all. And I know one day, as my daddy wrote a letter before he left, that I'm going to be the leader of the house, that will raise up my brothers and my relatives. I'm going to be.
Amen.
Through elegant.